When you search for the best electric wall oven for your home, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to really figure out what works and what just looks good, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: Empava 24 Wall Oven. Let's kick things off with the Empava 24 electric wall oven. Priced at $651.20, this model caught my attention because of its sleek stainless steel look and impressive array of cooking functions. If you want versatility in your cooking, this is worth a serious look. The Empava features 10 cooking functions, including rotisserie, broil, and convection baking. The 2.3 cubic foot capacity is perfect for family meals or serious home cooking. Plus, with 3,400 watts of power, it heats up quickly and efficiently. This is great if you want to cut down on cooking time and serve warm meals faster. Now, here's the thing: some users reported that the control panel can be a bit tricky to navigate at first. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. If you're someone who enjoys experimenting with different cooking methods, this oven will serve you well. This is perfect for you if you love trying new recipes and need an oven that adapts to various cooking styles. Skip this one if you're looking for a more traditional oven without all the bells and whistles. For the price, it offers solid value for a feature-packed wall oven. Product number 2: Empava 24 Deluxe Wall Oven. Next up is another gem from Empava, the 24-inch electric single-wall oven priced at $599.99. What drew me in was its deluxe rotisserie feature and user-friendly touch controls. If you're keen on easy operation and delicious results, give this one a serious look. The hidden heating elements mean cleaning is a breeze, no more scrubbing around exposed coils. It even features a keep warm function, so your dishes are ready when you are. With a 3.2-star rating from 144 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its efficiency. However, some customers mentioned that the oven could take a bit longer to preheat than expected. This one is ideal if you want a reliable oven that won't break the bank. But if you're in a rush and need something that heats up almost instantly, you might want to look elsewhere. For its price, it provides excellent value for what you're getting. Product number 3: COSMO Haven Double Oven. Coming up is the COSMO COS 30 EDWC, a stunning 30-inch double electric wall oven priced at $1,973.99. The first thing that struck me was its beautiful blue porcelain interior. If you're looking for elegance and performance, this one's worth considering. The automatic self-cleaning function is a big plus, saving you the hassle of scrubbing after a big meal. It also has advanced safety features that prevent overheating, which is vital for families with kids. On the downside, some users found the installation a bit complicated. But honestly, with professional help, it's manageable, and once it's set up, you'll enjoy its features immensely. This is perfect for you if you frequently host gatherings and need a reliable oven to handle multiple dishes at once. Skip this if you're tight on space and can't accommodate its size. It's a worthwhile investment for those who love to cook in style. Product number 4: Magic Chef Compact Oven. Next on the list is the Magic Chef MCSWOE 24S, a compact 24-inch electric wall oven priced at $619.99. This model stood out to me because of its impressive features despite the smaller size. If you're tight on space but still want functionality, this is definitely worth a look. The convection feature allows for even cooking, and it comes with a broiler pan and racks for versatile meal preparation. The built-in clock and cooling fan are thoughtful additions that enhance user experience. It holds a 3.5-star rating from 113 reviews, indicating that many find it reliable. However, some users mention the lack of a self-cleaning option. Here's the deal though: if you don't mind a little manual cleaning, the benefits outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and space-saving oven. Skip this if you want a large capacity or advanced cleaning features. It's a solid choice for the budget-conscious without sacrificing quality. Product number 5: Coolmore Double Wall Oven. Finally, we have the Coolmore 30-inch electric double wall oven priced at $2,242.32. The standout feature for me was its dual capacity, perfect for those who love to bake multiple dishes at once. If you want to maximize cooking efficiency, this one catches my eye. With a total capacity of 10 cubic feet, you can bake, broil, warm, and even air fry with ease. The rapid convection feature ensures that your food is cooked evenly and quickly, which is a game changer for busy families. Plus, the self-cleaning function means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. It boasts a 4.2-star rating, showing that users appreciate its performance. That said, a few customers have mentioned it can be quite heavy, making installation a bit tricky. But honestly, if you're keen on having the space and functionality, it's worth the extra effort. This is perfect for you if you frequently cook for large gatherings or want to experiment with different cooking methods. Skip this one if you have limited kitchen space or need something lightweight. It certainly packs a punch for its price. So there you have it. From the compact Magic Chef to the spacious Coolmore, each of these wall ovens has its unique strengths. Whether you prioritize space, style, or cooking versatility, there's an option for you. Choose wisely and happy cooking.